Yeah. You're the one I've been waiting for. This is all I got, girl, I save it all for you. Using real emotions you can't ignore, that you've been having all night. Yeah.
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very requested video, of course. So this will be my natural hair update. This is about a year and a half through my big chop journey. I did big chop my hair August of 2016. I big chopped on camera, and then a couple days later, I think it was like September, beginning of September, and I completely like shaved off my entire hair. And then from there, that was when I started my journey. I will have all of the videos linked below of the updates that I do have, and you guys can kind of see where my hair came from. And this is what we have, guys. I don't really know how fast my hair is supposed to be growing. I really don't care. My hair is super healthy and I have no heat damage whatsoever, and my hair is like pretty much the same length, but I'm going to talk about that in this video, so make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to come to you all first and tell you the updates of what I've been doing to my hair, and then the second part of the video, I don't know if I'm going to split this into two parts or just one long video. So the first update is that I stopped using Aussie products. You guys know I vouch for Aussie Moist, Aussie 7-in-1. That's literally all I used on my hair and my extensions. For some reason, my hair just wasn't reacting how it used to react to it. It just wasn't giving it the moisture that I needed. And I don't know, my hair didn't feel like replenished after using it. So I think it just stopped working ultimately on my hair and also my extensions. So that was really weird. I don't know if I just grew from it. But the new products that I am using is these two products. They're super random. They're not even a set. And I think I'm going to continue to use this until eventually, hopefully, it doesn't. But if it like starts to change up on me, I'm going to continue using those products. Another update is I haven't started taking biotin yet. No type of hair growth pills or anything. A lot of people ask me, how did I grow my hair out? Like I said, I'm not using hair growth pills or anything, but I do wear wigs, and I do think that that is a contribution, not even like to growing my hair out, but to keeping it healthy. But I get my hair braided down by my braider. I think that a braider is a very important. After she braids my hair and moisturizes my scalp, I also go and maybe like a couple days later and re-moisturize my scalp with oils. I do a little mixture. I put them in a little container. Like, that would have been so messy. So this is the little mixture I have right here. It's so strong and it's so thick. Like, y'all, this stuff is so thick. Let me show you. It's like, can you see this? It's so thick. Put it in my hair now. These are the two oils right here. It's the Jamaican Mango and Lime, the Jamaican Black Castor Peppermint, and then it's the Jamaican Black Castor Lemon Oil. So lemongrass, I'm sorry. So the lemongrass gives it that nice little lemony smell, and then the peppermint oil, it gives a tingle on my scalp and it feels so good. I showed you guys another hair growth. I think it was called Wild Growth. A lot of you guys told me to use that, and I did, but I don't know why I stopped using that. But those are the oils that I use on my head, and my hair is typically braided straight back, and I just go in with this and go down each braid, and my hair is just so moisturized, and it just feels like it's like you can feel it working. So those are pretty much the only things that I changed up with my hair. The conditioner, the shampoo, and the oils. I don't think that I have any more updates on my hair, but you know, wearing the wigs, because you guys see that's what I do if you follow me on my social media. Yeah, I just really want to show you guys how I achieved this look. I think that my hair looks really healthy. It feels healthy. I'm not too sure of how long it's supposed to be at this point. I don't know if this is a normal length, if it's growing fast, if it's growing slow. But honestly, the thing is that I don't care. Yeah, that's basically all I have to say. before I get into the tutorial part. Okay, so before I get into the video, I just wanted to share this watch with you guys. I did post this watch on my Instagram story a couple of weeks ago, and I actually tagged the company, but I am partnering up with this company. I'm just going to briefly explain to you guys. So this is a watch by Jord. They are having a giveaway for you guys that were interested from my Instagram story, or even if you're watching this video. Make sure you check out my description box below. It will have all of the details for you to enter and get yourself a watch similar, but they also have other color watches. One of the other watches that I have from them is like a turquoise, and I did partner with this company before, so that was the other one that I received, and they're just so cute. It's super versatile. I just like the big face. It's plain, but it's still cute, you know, and it's simple. So if you guys are interested in entering that giveaway, make sure you check out my description box. And also I have a coupon code for you guys to get an automatic $25 off and also free sizing on your watch. So make sure you check that out also, and everything will be linked down below. So thank you, Jord, for this watch. This also represents baby air because this is baby air colors. You don't know what baby air is? That is my new hair collection coming out, but that's not what we're talking about right now. We're gonna get into this hair tutorial. So this is just how my hair looks once my braids are pretty grown out. She braids really tight, really small, really flat, and when I get a fresh braid down, you can literally see my scalp like this. So the fact that you cannot even see my scalp means that my hair grew out a bit much. I'm just showing you how your braids will look if you grow your hair out with a wig. Like literally, it's flapping. This one's a flap. This one's flapping. Like, this is how the back looks. And it's still very flat.
Here we go.
So this is the next day. The new products that I am using on my hair is by Carol's Daughter and TRESEME. So today I washed my hair with the MIRABELLE Plum, and this is a sulfate-free shampoo. So it gives a nice little suds, yeah. Can I talk today? And also this is the conditioner I use, and this is the TRESEME Moisture Rich, and I have used this previously before I did the big chop, and I forgot how good this conditioner is. After using this conditioner, the Aussie Moist has no type of moisture compared to this. Like, this can probably like bring the crispiest hair back to life. Like, this is amazing, and it made my hair super soft, and it makes my extensions soft also. So this is even what I use on my extensions. This is just the weirdest combination, but this is what I'm using. So I am going to use my Crystal Orchid, the Main Choice Biotin Infused Styling Gel. I don't know why I'm not starting my hair. I'm just talking. Alright, so I'm going to use this for my wash and go today. This is going to be a first impression because I never use this on my hair. So yeah, let's see. It is officially touching my neck.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, beside me laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer. My eyes before going into universe, I think about the moment we were hoping wouldn't end, because I never knew it was my imagination. I never wanted to say what I said, I just wanted an explanation.
Okay, so this is all I'm gonna do to my hair today. I don't even think I'm gonna tie down my edges because I know they're gonna like mess up anyway, so I'm just gonna wait to style my edges in the morning. This is how my hair looks on the side, in the back. As you guys see, the front of my hair rarely, well, it curls. It has like a wave, but it's not nearly as defined as the back of my hair and the sides of my hair. That's the curliest part of my hair. It's just like this part right here, I have to do the most and finger coil and just do a whole lot of stuff. So I'm gonna see how this dries now that my hair is longer. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye guys. Okay, so this is the next morning. I didn't even put a bonnet on my head because when I put a bonnet on, my curls are scrunched up. So I just went to sleep on it like that. Like I was careful of how I slept. I kind of slept on my arm. I'm gonna try to like put a style in it, maybe like some up, some down. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know what you guys think. I am going to do another wash and go tutorial, but I want to use a different product. So let me know what good products are below or which ones you want to see me try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.